Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ledger Flex. First, unbox your Ledger Flex and connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a strong PIN code, which is crucial for device security. Next, write down your 24-word recovery phrase carefully and store it in a safe, private location. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so keep it secure. Once your Ledger Flex is set up, open the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. You can easily add new cryptocurrency accounts, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, by navigating to the Accounts section. To send crypto, select the account, enter the recipient's address, and confirm the transaction on your device. Receiving assets is just as simple. Share your public address with the sender. Ledger Live isn't just for managing accounts. It also provides a comprehensive overview of your crypto portfolio. Remember to always keep your device's firmware updated through Ledger Live to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. Your recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it with anyone. For added security, consider enabling a passphrase, which adds a 25th word to your recovery phrase. If you encounter any issues like connection problems, try restarting your computer and Ledger Flex device. Ensure your Ledger Live application is the latest version. For device maintenance, keep your Ledger Flex clean and store it in a dry, safe place away from extreme temperatures. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, and a good water bottle makes it easy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.